Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Gronnert, and we're here to read another letter sound story. The letter sound story we'll be reading today is called Jump, Jump, Jump. You can read the story with me. Jump, 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 written by Mrs. Gronnert. I am the frog. I like to jump. Jump, jump, jump. I can jump. I see a bug. I like the bug. I can jump to eat the bug. Cat, can you jump? I can jump. I like to jump, 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 jump. We see the fish. We like the fish. We can jump to eat the fish. We like to eat the fish. Thanks for reading with me today. Take a look at the frog on this page. It's amazing. He's eating a huge fish. How did he do it? I don't know how he's even fitting it in his mouth. I hope you enjoyed the story, and I hope to see you again very soon.